Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. English class 6, and this lesson is about creative writing. Let's start with the pattern of letter writing. We have already discussed in previous lessons how to write a letter. Following the same pattern, we are going to write a letter to a friend telling him about a new class and friends. We will start with address, examination hall, city, then date, and the salutation, dear friend. Body of the letter goes as, I hope you are enjoying good health. As you know, I have got admission in new class. I am very happy here. My new class is indeed enjoyable. It is a very big room of modern standards. I have also made many new friends. They are very helpful. We also play together in the evening. What about you? Pay my regards to uncle and aunt, and then we end it like yours sincerely, XYZ. Follow the same pattern, copy the letter in your notebooks and learn it. Then we will move to application writing. Application for sick leave. Application we start with addressing the principal. A light school roll 20. Don't forget to put commas where they are, and also full stop and capital letters where they are. Respectfully it is stated, I am not feeling well. I am suffering from high fever and flu. Doctor suggested me to take rest, so I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for 2 days. I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently, XYZ, and then date. Follow the same pattern, write it in your notebooks and also learn it. Then we will move to essay writing. The topic is the computer. When we start writing about a topic, we first write the introduction to the topic, and the topic is the computer. We will first introduce what a computer is. A computer is an electronic device or machine that makes our work easier. It also helps us in many ways. Computers are majorly used in defense, medicine, and for research purposes, and in many other fields we all know. Then we will tell about the uses of the computer. There are many uses of computer. Computers are of great use in field of education. It helps teachers prepare presentations. Students find it easy to work on their projects from their homes using computer. We can learn many new things on computer through internet. In these circumstances, with the spread of COVID-19, the computers have helped us in continuing our education. You are also watching your YouTube videos, your lessons on internet, and we are also sharing our prepared lectures on internet. In industries or business today, all financial transactions, employees' record keeping, business processes are all done through computers. Computers are a blessing to the Defense Department as they help in detecting incoming missiles, diagnosing bombs, thereby help in saving lives. Computers are also used while conducting the medical procedures like X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan, etc. Then we will conclude the essay. Computer is a wonderful gift of science created by man to help mankind. Laptop and desktops are the forms of computer that are ruling the world today, and these had definitely changed the lifestyles of the people and status of developing countries. We should not overuse computer as it can adversely affect our health. This was the essay that I have written for you. This is the sample essay. Following the pattern and following the lines that I have written here, you can make your own essay. You are most welcome to create an essay of yourself. You may also write this essay on your notebooks and then learn this essay for your exams. Today's lesson, you are going to write the letter, the application, and the essay on your notebooks and also learn them. That was all from today. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.